Yeah, good afternoon. Um, Let the other people join, then we'll continue. Abhishek, there is some new guy. Abhishek, please switch on your video and unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I'm at the job. That's why.
Okay. You have joined for the first time?
No, ma'am.
Because I'm seeing you for the first time. Okay, the people are coming. Ritwik, Shrutika, kindly unmute yourself and switch on the video.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also fine. And have told you all to do some homework. Have you all done it?
Yes, yes.
Well, you all have done it.
Yeah.
But I didn't get any of the people this sentences. You all have not sent me.
अरे
Nor
हाँ,
Shruti also.
वो थोड़ा भेजना बोल रहा था. Actually, I was doing some other work. Means Mr. Chef Rahul. You know ना Chef Rahul.
Sorry?
Chef Rahul.
हाँ, Rahul na? Yeah, I know.
Yes, yes. I was completing his assignment. Means he has also has uh,
Achha.
has given us assignment.
Achha. Can you all just switch on the video because I'm not able to see any of the people. It's like I'm talking to someone. Please switch on the video, everyone. Abhishek, Shrutika, Rutvik.
Ma'am, I don't have network.
Acha. And Abhishek, what about you? You are unmute also.
I'm trying. My video is not switching on. But I'm trying.
Okay.
There's
So
a
then we'll continue. Yeah, now you all can hear me, na?
yes, yes.
Okay. Abhishek and Shrutika, you all can unmute yourself at least. Abhishek and Shrutika, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Zed, who's Zed? Zed, Shrutika, Abhishek. Abhishek. These people. Abhishek, are you there? Shrutika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was it? Okay. Okay. Last time we have completed with the simple past. As you all know it, we have done with the simple past tense last week. Have you all remember it? We have done some sentences also on that. Have you all remember it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today we will be starting, as I said, past continuous tense we are going to start with for today. Okay, past continuous tense. Sajid.
Yes, ma'am.
After a long time, I have seen you. What happened? Where were you last lecture?
I think I missed the last two lectures.
Right. Okay. So now I'll start with the past continuous. I'm just sharing you all the screen for you guys to know it. Okay, we'll just start with it. Okay. Can you all see the screen? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, last time we have done with the simple past tense. Last week only I have done with you all. Today we will be starting with the past continuous tense. And if it is, we can complete it in a very fast manner. So we will be starting with the past perfect also. Okay, everyone. Yeah, simple past we have already done. If you all can see, simple past tense. काम किया था. See in the red portion it is written. काम किया था. That is the simple past tense, which we have already completed last week. Today we will be starting, that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. काम चालू है. काम चालू था. It means something was being done before in the past. जो बहुत जो भूतकाल में चल रहा था. ओके, दैट इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का मतलब होता है द वर्क व्हिच वाज डूइंग इन द पास्ट. यानी कि कल आप लोग कोई और लेक्चर ले रहे थे. कल yesterday आई थिंक इट वाज योगेश सर लेक्चर वाज देयर. So you were taking sir's lecture.
Sohail sir. Sohail sir.
Which sir? Sorry, I didn't remember the name.
Sohail.
Okay, so you all were taking that lecture. फिर मॉर्निंग में आप लोग कुछ और काम कर रहे थे. So the work which you were doing in the past, that is past continuous tense. जैसे आप लोगों का लेक्चर लेने से पहले I was taking someone else lecture. That is past continuous. Understood past continuous? ऐसा लग रहा है मैं आपस में ही बात कर रही, because I cannot.
Yes ma'am.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है मैं खुद से ही बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, Sanket, you are there.
Due to some work, I am not start the video.
Okay. So past continuous tense basically means the work which you were doing in the past. जो काम आप लोग कर रहे थे, that is the past continuous tense. Okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस दिया है. काम कर रहे थे. काम कर रहे थे. अभी यहाँ पर जो आपको दिया है that is according to the formula, like subject है, was पर है, verb ing and an object. आपको मैं एक छोटा सा ब्रीफ बता देती हूँ. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सब्जेक्ट? एनीवन हैव एनी आइडिया व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सब्जेक्ट?
मराठी में और हिंदी में उसको करता बोलते. करता.
हाँ, वी टेल इट एज करता, यानी जो काम करता है. जैसे आई हो गया, ही हो गया, शी हो गया, वी हो गया. So these all are subjects. The person who is doing the work, that is the subject. Very good. It was Sanket, I think.
Yes ma'am.
Then was were we already know it. Verb ing means action. In your action there is always an ing form. Can anyone tell me again what do you mean by? Yeah. So can anyone tell me what do you mean by verb? Verb. Anyone?
Kriya.
Kriya. What do you mean by that? I want the example. What do you mean by Kriya?
Something doing.
Sorry?
Something doing.
Something doing. Can you tell me the sentence of that?
I am traveling now.
I am
Traveling now.
sorry. Yeah, who was it? What do you mean by verb? Sajid?
Like yes, ma'am. Like we are doing something. The word which
Yeah,
comes doing is a verb. Do.
Yeah.
Uh,
And what else? Do, go, play. These all are verbs. Whatever the action you all are doing, that is a verb. I am teaching, so teaching is a verb. You are listening, so listening is a verb. You are studying is a verb. So whatever the action we are doing, see, again and again I'm repeating it. Why? Because for you to know what is actually action means and why, how you form the sentences with the action. Okay, that is why I'm repeating it again and again. Verb means action. So whenever you are talking about past continuous, आपको past continuous में आपके action में ing form लगता है. जैसे आप ये नहीं बोल सकते हो I was do work at home. It is wrong sentence. You have to say I was doing work at home. Okay, I was doing. There is always ing form when you are talking about the continuous tense. Where yeah. So it is always in your verb ing form will come. And what do you mean by object? Object, Sanket, Sajid,
Things.
Ruchika, Rutvik. What do you mean by object?
Object means related. That's related. For example,
That is?
related. Something related. For example, book.
Book,
Example, can you
pen,
say? Yeah.
object, for book, pen, then TV, microwave, ovens.
Yeah,
is
whatever
an
the
object.
object. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So object means you can say कर्म also जिस पर कोई काम होता है. जैसे यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है, I was doing work at home. So home is your object. Okay, it is a thing also. You can say even a human being. जैसे I am teaching you. तो किस पर वो काम हो रहा है? On you, the work is being going on. So you can also be an object. Okay. So object basically वो होता है जिस पर कोई काम होता है. That is an object. आप कोई वस्तु मीन्स कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स को भी ऑब्जेक्ट बोल सकते हो. इवन यू कैन से द ऑब्जेक्ट टू एन एनिमल. अगर कोई एनिमल है तो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन से इट इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. जैसे आई एम गिविंग फूड टू द कैट. मैं बिल्ली को खाना दे रही हूँ. So that cat is an object because the work is being doing on that cat. Okay. Now there are certain sentences. First, it is a positive sentence. जैसे कि subject was were है, verb ing and object है. यहाँ पर लिखा है मैं काम कर रहा था. तो उसका इंग्लिश लिखा है. Directly it is being written. I was doing work at home. वैसे ही जब तुम काम कर रहे थे तो it is like you were doing work at home. यू के साथ वर लगता है. यू वर. मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सा लगेगा. इफ यू ऑल आर राइटिंग इट डाउन, जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. व्हेनेवर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट आई, ही, शी and somebody's name or it. I, he, she, it and name. In this 5 subjects, you have to use the helping verb that is was. I, he, she, it and name. In this 5 subjects, you have to use the verb that is helping verb that is was. वैसे ही अगर आप you, we और they, you, we and they, इसके बारे में अगर आप बात करोगे, so you have to use the helping verb that is were, W-E-R-E, which is already shown onto your screen. Okay, again, was will be using with the subject form that is I, he, she, it and name. This 5 subjects के साथ you have to use the helping verb that is was. In past continuous I'm talking about, and with the helping and with the subject like you, we and they, you have to use the helping verb that is were. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I have one doubt.
Yes.
What is difference between you are and you are? Y-O-U-R and you Y-O-U-A-R-E.
You are and
You are means Y-O-U-R, one word, and second one is
अच्छा.
Y-O-U-A-R-E.
हाँ, अच्छा. अभी योर, Y-O-U-R, उसका मतलब होता है योर, यानी कि तुम्हारा. उसको बोलते हैं पहले तो योर, उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है
Okay.
योर. उसका मतलब होता है तुम्हारा. जैसे मुझे बोलना है ये अभी ये बॉटल है, मुझे बोलना है ये बॉटल तुम्हारी है, तो इससे मैं क्या बोलूंगी? दिस इज योर बॉटल, तुम्हारी. तो योर का मतलब होता है तुम्हारा. ओके. योर का
Okay.
मतलब होता है तुम्हारा. जब आप कोई चीज को बिलोंगिंग बताते हो, दिस इज योर बॉटल, दिस इज योर मोबाइल, ही इज योर फ्रेंड, ये तुम्हारा दोस्त है, तो आप किसी को बिलोंगिंग कर रहे हो, तो फॉर दैट वी यूज योर. बट यू आर का मतलब होता है सिंपल तुम, जैसे तुम मुझसे सवाल पूछ रहे हो, तो यू आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन विथ मी, अंडरस्टूड। तो यू का मतलब होता है तुम,
Okay.
लेकिन आर उसके साथ हेल्पिंग वर्ब का इस्तेमाल होता है। जैसे हम लोग ये नहीं बोल सकते यू आस्किंग क्वेश्चन टू मी, दैट इज रॉन्ग इंग्लिश। आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना है सेंटेंस को पूरा करने के लिए, तो हम लोग उधर यूज करते हैं यू आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन टू मी। ओके या, तो यू का मतलब होता है तुम, जिसके साथ आपको हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगाना कंपलसरी होता है आर। और योर का मतलब होता है तुम्हारा, जहाँ पर आप चीजों को बिलोंगिंग या कोई इंसान को बिलोंगिंग बताते हो। दिस इज योर फ्रेंड, दिस इज योर मोबाइल, योर वॉइस इज वेरी नाइस, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है। तो जहाँ पर आप तुम्हारे का इस्तेमाल करोगे वहां पर आपको योर का इस्तेमाल करना है। अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंसेस?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अभी यहाँ पर दिया गया है वी वर डूइंग वर्क एट होम, जैसे हम लोग घर पर काम कर रहे थे। वैसे ही नेक्स्ट में लिखा है दे वर डूइंग वर्क एट होम, वो लोग घर पर काम कर रहे थे। मैं हिंदी रिपीट कर रही हूँ, यहाँ पर हिंदी दिया नहीं है, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग यू ओरली सो दैट यू वुड बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट। वैसे ही वहां पर लिखा है ही वॉज डूइंग वर्क एट होम, वो लड़का घर पर काम कर रहा था। शी वॉज डूइंग वर्क एट होम, वैसे ही वो लड़की घर पर काम कर रही थी। इट वॉज डूइंग वर्क एट होम, अभी इट में आप कोई एनिमल्स को भी ले सकते हो या कोई मशीन को भी ले सकते हो, जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन वॉज यूजिंग फॉर वॉशिंग द क्लोथ, देन कैट वॉज ड्रिंकिंग द मिल्क, लाइक दैट में आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो। डॉग वॉज बार्किंग, तो आप इट का इस्तेमाल कोई एनिमल्स के लिए या कोई नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। देन राम वॉज डूइंग वर्क एट होम, राम घर पर काम कर रहा था। दिस वॉज द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस। ओके, अब मैंने आपको पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस दिया है। आप जितने भी मेंबर हो इनटू द ग्रुप, वन बाय वन आई वांट यू ऑल टू गिव मी द सेंटेंसेस, any sentences which you will find it out. Okay, I'll start with Sanket. Sanket, you're there?
Yes, ma'am.
Give me one sentence on past continuous.
Past continuous.
Yeah,
Just a
positive.
moment. Just a moment.
Sorry?
Yeah, just a moment. I was
Yeah.
working in office.
I was working in office. Can you just tell me the Hindi of it?
मैं ऑफिस में काम कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, काम कर रहा हूँ नहीं, काम कर रहा
काम
था।
कर रहा था. Okay. I
काम
was.
कर रहा हूँ तो I am doing आएगा।
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sanket, you were telling something?
No.
Okay. Who's the next? Rutvej? Rutvej,
Yes, ma'am.
give me one sentence on past continuous positive. Yeah, Sanket. Sorry, yeah, Rutvej. Positive.
My job is done now.
My job, no. It is like past continuous you have to talk about, na? Past continuous. Past continuous.
कर रहा था आएगा ना. Meaning कर
हाँ.
रहा था ना.
मैं जॉब कर रहा था, so I was doing job.
Okay.
I was doing job आएगा.
हाँ, मैं जॉब
कर
कर
रहा
रहा था। हाँ, कर रहा था, हिंदी ऐसा आएगा, काम कर रहे थे, काम कर रहे थे, दैट इज पास्ट कंटिन्यूस। ओके, साजिद, यू आर देयर?
Ma'am. Yes,
Sajid,
ma'am.
yeah. Just tell me one
Yes, ma'am.
sentence on past continuous. One sentence on
Sure, ma'am.
past continuous.
Yeah, I was making food for everyone.
I was making food for everyone. Very nice. Shrutika.
She was talking continuously.
He was talking continuously. Very nice. Zed. Zed. Beta, your voice is
I was
breaking a lot.
doing workout at gym.
Sorry.
I was doing workout at gym.
I was doing workout at gym. Very nice. So this was the positive one. Now we will move on to the negative one. See, now the negative sentence. In negative sentence, subject, was, were, not, verb ing and then object. Okay, जैसे I was not doing work at home. Instead of was doing की जगह पे आपको not लगाना है. यानी कि मैं घर पर काम नहीं कर रहा था. मैं हिंदी आपको रिपीट कर रही हूँ. मैं घर पर काम नहीं कर रहा था. That is past continuous negative form. वैसे you want to say तुम घर पर काम नहीं कर रहे थे. So you were not doing work at home. Similarly, हम लोग घर पर काम नहीं कर रहे थे. So we were not doing work at home. वो लोग घर पर काम नहीं कर रहे थे. They were not doing work at home. फिर वो लड़का घर पर काम नहीं कर रहा था. He was not doing work at home. वैसे ही वो लड़की घर पर काम नहीं कर रही थी. She was not doing work at home. अभी देखो यहाँ पर तो कुछ गड़बड़ किया है, बट ठीक है, इसमें not लगाना है आपको. He was not doing work at home. She was not doing work at home. It was not doing work at home. वैसे ही राम was not doing work at home. उधर was के बाद not लगेगा. ओके एवरीवन. अब आप इसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी लगा सकते हो. जैसे was not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है wasn't. I wasn't doing work at home. Like that way you can say. वैसे है you were not. You were not का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है weren't. You weren't doing work at home. Okay, everyone? Whoever is present.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. This was the negative. Now I'll start again with Sanket. Sanket, kindly tell me one sentence in the negative form. Yeah, Sanket.
सोच रहा हूँ. He wasn't working at.
Yeah, Sanket.
She wasn't working at home.
She wasn't working at home. Very nice. Who else? Sajid.
Yes,
Was
ma'am.
not, right? Was not analyzed, right?
Yes. Yes, Sajid.
Was,
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
was not analyzed, right?
I wasn't lying to you.
I wasn't.
Lying to you.
I wasn't lying to you. Okay. Rutvik. Rutvik.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Give me one sentence, no, in past continuous negative form.
I wasn't doing job.
Okay, I wasn't doing job. Okay. Okay. Then Shrutika.
The children wasn't going there.
The children of plural form में तो children के लिए weren't होता है, wasn't नहीं होता है.
Weren't.
Weren't. आप wasn't से singular के लिए use करते हो, not with the plural form. Okay. So children is actually a plural form, so you have to use weren't over there. The children weren't going there.
Going.
Okay. Zed. Zed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give me one sentence, beta.
Past negative tense, no?
Yeah, you have to say negative of past continuous. Yeah, negative of past continuous, Javed. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
हाँ. Yes. Yeah, Zed, बोलो. Negative of past continuous tense.
Hello.
Yeah, Zed. What happened?
I was not doing classes at
Yeah, Zed,
home.
what happened?
नेटवर्क इशू थोड़ा से. हेलो.
बेटा आपका ना नेटवर्क इशू है. Everyone can hear me. Sajid, Rutvesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Shrutika.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Then what happened to Zed? Zed, please come in a network.
Hello.
Zed, हम लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं. आप बोलो. We are able to hear you.
Hello.
Please stay. Okay.
I'm decided. I wasn't attending class today.
Sorry,
I wasn't attending class today. जाएगा क्या?
I wasn't attending. ing लगी.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Attending class today. अगर आपको ऐसा बोलना है कि मैंने क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया, तो आई डिडंट अटेंड क्लास टुडे. लेकिन मैं क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहा था, तो आई वाजंट अटेंडिंग क्लास टुडे. ओके संकेत. चलो, now we'll move on to the past continuous, that is question positive form. Past continuous क्वेश्चन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. क्या काम कर रहे थे? जैसे हम लोग पूछते ना, क्या तुम कल मुझे फोन कर रहे थे? वर यू कॉलिंग मी? क्या तुम बाहर जा रहे थे? वर यू गोइंग आउट? क्या वो लोग टीवी देख रहे थे? वर दे वॉचिंग टीवी? तो जब हम किसी से सवाल पूछते हैं बट इनटू द कंटिन्यू फॉर्म, उस टाइम वो काम हो रहा था, तो दैट इज past continuous questioning form. अब यहाँ पर जो आपका helping verb रहेगा, that is was and were will be in the first position, then subject will be there, verb ing, and then object will be at the end. जैसे यहाँ पर पहला वर्ड सेंटेंस है, was I doing work at home? क्या मैं घर पर काम कर रहा था? वैसे ही क्या तुम घर पर काम कर रहे थे? were you doing work at home? वैसे ही क्या हम लोग घर पर काम कर रहे थे? वर वी डूइंग वर्क एट होम? क्या वो लोग घर पर काम कर रहे थे? वर दे डूइंग वर्क एट होम? वैसे ही क्या वो लड़का घर पर काम कर रहा था? वॉज ही डूइंग वर्क एट होम? वैसे ही क्या वो लड़की घर पर काम कर रही थी? वॉज शी डूइंग वर्क एट होम? क्या अभी इधर देखो, इधर तो कोई इट दिया है, आप कोई और सेंटेंस बना सकते हो. वॉज कैट ड्रिंकिंग द मिल्क? क्या बिल्ली दूध पी रही थी? वैसे ही वॉज राम डूइंग वर्क एट होम? क्या राम घर पर काम कर रहा था? यहाँ पर एक ही सेंटेंसेस को रिपीट किया गया फॉर यू टू मेक इट इजी वे ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाउ आई वांट यू ऑल टू मेक one sentences on that. I'll start with Sajid now. Sajid, give me one sentence on past continuous question positive. Sajid.
Okay, sure, ma'am. Was he eating food at restaurant?
Yeah. Was he eating food at restaurant? Sanket.
Was she doing breakfast?
Was she doing breakfast? Very nice. Shrutika. Shrutika, 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 are you there? Shrutika, Rutvij, you are there?
Yes.
Yeah, beta. Give me one sentence on question positive, past, continuous. Past, continuous, question positive. Rutvij, give me one sentence on that.
Yes. Yes. Was I attending the class today?
Was I?
Was I attending the class today?
Was I attending the class? Okay, very nice. क्या मैं class attend कर रहा था? Shrutika, Z, you all are there? Shrutika and Z.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Give me one sentence on question positive, past, continuous.
1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah, Zed, what happened? Yes, Zed, what happened? Zed, are you there? अच्छा सोच रहे हो अच्छा इतना टाइम लग रहा है ठीक है सोचो विल वेट फॉर यू till then Saji Sanket give me one more sentences no Saji Sanket Utvesh जब तक जैद को
Sure,
सोचने
ma'am.
दो yeah give me one more sentence Saji starting with you
Now, was मेरा मैम teaching us?
was Mera ma'am teaching us very nice Utvesh can you
What? What? Can you repeat it again, ma'am?
sorry
Can you repeat it again?
question positive past continuous
What?
Uh, was I having the job today?
was I
Having the job today?
having the job today was I having the job today okay ठीक है okay है
Was he studying
Shrutika
all,
yes sorry
was he studying all night?
was he studying online was आएगा बेटा ही के साथ
Was he बोला मैंने?
अच्छा was he
Working at corporate.
was she working at
Corporate.
सॉरी आपकी आवाज बहुत वो हो रही है
Corporate.
was she working at corporate is that what you said Sanket okay Zaid अभी आपको याद आ गया now can you say or still want to sing more
Ma'am,
yeah say please
Was I working today?
Was I working today? ठीक है. Were you going there? क्या तुम वहां जा रहे थे? Anything you can say. Okay. Now we'll move on to the.
Was I working today?
Yeah, was I working today? Very nice. Abhi now we'll move on to the past continuous, that is question negative form. The last form of past continuous, that is question negative form. क्या काम नहीं कर रहे थे? क्या काम नहीं कर रहे थे? जैसे was, were, as it is will be in the front. Then subject, then not. You have to put verb ing and then object. अब यहाँ पर दिया गया है was I not doing work at home? क्या मैं काम नहीं कर रहा था? इसकी जगह पे आप ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो wasn't I doing work at home? Like that way also you can say. वैसे ही were you not doing work at home? On the place of that you can say weren't you doing work at home? क्या तुम काम नहीं कर रहे थे? वैसे ही were we not doing work at home? Instead of that you can say weren't we doing work at home? क्या हम लोग काम नहीं कर रहे थे? वैसे ही were they not doing work at home? Instead of that we can say weren't they doing work at home? वैसे ही was he not doing work at home? Instead of that you can say wasn't he doing work at home? वैसे ही was she not doing work at home? Instead of that wasn't she doing work at home? वैसे ही was it not doing work at home? Instead of that you can say wasn't cat drinking milk? Wasn't Ram doing work at home? क्या राम घर पर काम नहीं कर रहा था? This was the past continuous tense. The last form, that is a question negative form. Now I'll start with Sanket to tell me one example of past continuous question negative. Yes, Sanket, please.
Was he not attending class?
Was he not attending the class? Okay. इसका अगर आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज करना है, हाउ यू विल से?
Wasn't she attending class today?
Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. Sajid,
Weren't they playing football yesterday?
can you just repeat?
Weren't they playing football yesterday?
Weren't you playing yesterday? Is that what you said?
Weren't they?
Acha, weren't they playing yesterday? Okay, very
Were
nice.
they not playing football yesterday?
Okay, were they not playing football yesterday? Good, good, very good. So, Rutvesh,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, give me one sentence.
Uh,
Yeah, Rutvesh,
were they not uh, uh, were they not consuming alcohol?
were they not?
Consuming alcohol?
Sorry?
Were they not consuming alcohol?
I'm not able to hear you, Rutvesh, at all. Were they not?
Consuming alcohol.
Taking alcohol, that is what you want to say.
Yes, yes.
Acha, correct, it is correct. So make the short form of it. Were they not की जगह पे what else you can say? Yeah, Rutvesh, were they not की जगह पे?
Was I
Were they not की जगह पे what else you can say in place of that? Weren't they? Weren't they?
weren't yes.
Yeah, weren't they taking alcohol? Okay. One more sentence, which please say. One more sentence on past continuous. Yeah.
Wouldn't they attend the class?
wasn't नहीं होता है, weren't they.
Wasn't he attended the class?
Wasn't he attending.
Yes, attending.
Attending आएगा, attended नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, attending will come.
Attending.
Wasn't he attending the class?
Class.
Okay. Yeah. Shrutika.
Wasn't she doing dance?
Wasn't he doing dance? Very nice. Zed.
Was he not speak English at class?
Speaking आएगा. Wasn't he
Speaking.
speaking English? Yeah, ing will come, no? Wasn't he speaking English in the
At
class?
class.
Yeah. Okay. This was past continuous what we have done. Question negative also. अभी मैं इसी के ऊपर I'll tell in Hindi and one by one you all have to translate in English. Okay. Shall we start with that?
Sure, ma'am.
Everyone. Okay. I'll start with Sajid. मैं तुमसे
Yes, ma'am.
बात कर रहा था. साजिद, मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा था.
I was talking to you.
Very nice. संकेत, क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? संकेत.
I think he left, ma'am.
That's what. Otherwise, he always replied. Okay. Rutvish.
Yes.
क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? Make one sentence on that. English में बनाओ उसका translate.
क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे?
क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? What it is?
Have you met me?
नहीं. Continue. क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे?
अच्छा. Yes.
क्या तुम मुझसे मिल रहे थे? Who else can say? Shrutika, can you? Shrutika? Yeah, Shrutika. Sajid, can you say the answer for this?
Were you trying to meet me?
Yeah, were you trying to meet me or were you meeting me? Okay.
Yeah.
Zed.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मैं फोन चला रहा था. मैं फोन चला रहा था. Yeah, Zed, what happened? Zed?
Hello.
Yes. Please make this sentence in English. मैं फोन चला रहा था.
Hello.
What? मैं फोन चला
I
रहा
was
था.
calling.
I was calling. I was.
My phone.
Sorry.
I was checking phone.
I was speaking. I was
May
using.
was calling.
I was using phone. फोन चलाना इट्स बेसिकली आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो ना. So I was using phone या I was operating the phone. That you can say. Okay, Zed and Shrutika.
Okay.
श्रुतिका भी आप आ गए हो. So I'll ask you only one sentence. मैं तुमसे बात. Sorry. श्रुतिका हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. मैं खाना नहीं बना रही थी. मैं खाना नहीं बना रही थी.
I wasn't cooking.
Sorry.
I wasn't cooking.
I wasn't cooking. Rutvij. रुत्विज,
Yes.
तुम वहां जा रहे थे. तुम वहां जा रहे थे.
You were going out.
You were going out. वहां के लिए there होते हैं. You were going there.
You were going there.
Okay. साजिद,
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
समझ में नहीं, हाँ, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. साजिद.
I wasn't understanding.
Very nice. I wasn't understanding. Zaid, आप बता सकते हो? You are there in the network.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. Yes, yes. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था.
मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था.
हाँ. Yes.
I wasn't. See,
I wasn't. Yeah, Zaid, what happened?
I am not not watching TV.
Can you just repeat it?
मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा था ना.
Yeah.
I am not watching TV.
No, wrong. Who can give? Who can give? Yeah.
Can I, ma'am?
मैं
I
टीवी
wasn't
नहीं देख
watching
रहा
TV.
था.
I wasn't watching.
I wasn't watching TV. Zaid, I wasn't watching TV आएगा ना बेटा. M कैसा लगेगा? You are talking about the past continuous, so you have to use was and were. I wasn't watching TV. Okay. Zaid, आप ही से one more sentence I'll be asking. Are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
हाँ, मैं अपना काम नहीं कर रहा था. मैं अपना काम नहीं कर रहा था. Zaid. Yes. No.
I wasn't.
I wasn't. I wasn't.
I was.
आगे.
I was not doing my work.
Yes, I was not doing my work. Very nice. I was not doing my work. Okay. Who's the next? Rutrij.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. मैं अभी तुम्हें देख नहीं. मैं 2 दिन पहले तुमसे बात कर रहा था. मैं 2 दिन पहले तुमसे बात कर रहा था. Yeah. Say for this.
I was talking just the day before.
I was talking.
Just the day before.
I cannot hear you.
I was talking just the 2 days before.
I was talking just 2 days before. Yeah, I was talking with you 2 days before. Okay, I was talking with you 2 days before. Sajid. Sajid, are you there? Sajid, you are there? Yeah, Sajid, are you there? No. Okay, Shrutika. Shrutika.
Yes, ma'am.
या वो लोग तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे थे. वो लोग तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे थे.
They were waiting for you.
Very nice. They were waiting for you. Sajid, you came again. Zed. Zed, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
या Zed. हाँ. मैं कल अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था. मैं कल अपने दोस्तों से मिल रहा था. या Zed.
I was my friend yesterday.
Can you repeat it again?
I was meet my friend yesterday.
I was meet. Meet आएगा?
Meeting है
Yes.
ना, meeting
Repeat
है
the
शायद.
sentence. हाँ, अभी बनाओ वापस से sentence.
I was meeting my friend yesterday.
Very nice. I was meeting my friend yesterday. Sajid, beta, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. वो लोग आपस में लड़ाई कर रहे थे. साजिद, वो लोग आपस
They
में
were
लड़ाई कर रहे थे. हाँ.
they were fighting with each other.
ओके. मैं तुम्हें समझा नहीं रहा था. साजिद, मैं तुम्हें समझा नहीं रहा था.
I wasn't trying to teach you.
Okay, I wasn't trying to teach you. I wasn't explaining you. साजिद, you only. क्या तुम बाहर घूमने जा रहे थे? क्या तुम बाहर घूमने जा रहे थे? साजिद.
Were you going out for traveling or something?
For roaming. घूमने को हम लोग इंग्लिश में रोम कहते हैं. ROAM. For roaming.
Roaming.
Yes. Then
You're
क्या
going
वो
for
लड़का?
roaming.
Yes. क्या वो लड़का गाड़ी खरीद रहा था? साजिद, क्या वो लड़का गाड़ी खरीद रहा था?
Was he buying car?
क्या वो
Was he
लड़की
buying
बराबर
vehicle?
was he buying car? You can say. क्या वो लड़की तुम्हें नहीं बुला रही थी? साजिद, क्या वो लड़की तुम्हें नहीं बुला रही थी?
Wasn't she calling you?
Very nice. ऋत्विज. ऋत्विज. ऋत्विज.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. मैं नई डिश ट्राई कर रहा था. मैं नई डिश ट्राई कर रहा था. Yes, ऋत्विज.
मैं नई डिश ट्राई कर रहा था. I was testing the I was testing the new dish.
I was testing the new dish. I was trying the new dish. Okay. I was attempting the new dish. Okay.
वो नहीं
ऋत्विज.
आएगा ना. I was consuming the new dish.
No, that would not be. I was trying आ सकता है, कोशिश करना है ना. I was attempting आ सकता है. I was testing आएगा. Okay. Yeah. ऋत्विज, you only.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. वो लोग यहाँ नहीं आ रहे थे. वो लोग यहाँ नहीं आ रहे थे.
वो लोग यहाँ नहीं आ रहे. They are not coming today.
Sorry.
They are not coming today.
Wrong.
वो लोग यहाँ
नहीं आ रहे थे, नहीं आ रहे थे।
uh, uh, no, no idea, ma'am.
अच्छा, who else can give answer for this? वो लोग यहाँ नहीं आ रहे थे।
May I, ma'am?
Yes, Sajid.
They were not coming here.
Yes, they were not coming here. Very nice. Rutvish, were आएगा ना बेटा? They were not coming here. It's a continuous, but it is in the past. Okay, they were.
अच्छा,
Hmm. Okay, Rutvish, to you only. क्या तुम यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे थे? क्या तुम यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे थे? क्या तुम यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे थे, ऋत्विज?
uh, have have you tried here?
नो नो, इट्स अ पास्ट कंटिन्यूस। क्या तुम यहाँ कोशिश कर रहे थे? श्रुतिका और जैद, आई वांट यू ऑल टू ट्राई फॉर दिस। श्रुतिका और जैद,
Trying here.
कैन यू जस्ट रिपीट?
Where
या जैद? जैद? साजिद, कैन यू?
Ma'am, he said, were you trying?
या जैद, वर यू ट्राइंग योर? ऋत्विज,
Yes,
आप
yes.
कैसे लगेगा?
Uh,
इधर से
have
वॉज एंड वर, या वॉज
Yes,
एंड वर का ही इस्तेमाल करना है बेटा आपको। इट इज अ कंटिन्यूस टेंस, यू कैन नॉट यूज हैव एंड हैज। हैव एंड हैज मतलब जब आपने वो काम कर दिया है, द वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड, फॉर दैट ओनली यू हैव टू यूज हैव एंड हैज।
were,
Okay.
were,
वर यू ट्राइंग योर? ठीक है, ओके। जैद,
yes ma'am.
मैं तुम्हें मैसेज कर रहा था। मैं तुम्हें मैसेज कर रहा था। यस जैद, मैं तुम्हें मैसेज कर रहा था। जैद, जैद, आर यू देयर? ओके, हु एल्स? साजिद और ऋत्विज, कैन यू गिव?
Yes ma'am.
अच्छा जैद,
I
आप आ
was
गए?
I was messaging you.
वेरी नाइस, आई वॉज मैसेजिंग यू। आप ही को जैद अगेन। क्या तुम खाना नहीं खा रहे थे? क्या तुम खाना नहीं खा रहे थे, जैद? यस जैद।
Uh, where you not
वर यू नॉट?
eating?
वर यू नॉट ईटिंग? ठीक है जैद, वर यू नॉट ईटिंग। ओके जैद, टू यू ओनली। क्या वो लोग एक साथ रह रहे थे? चलो, क्या वो लोग एक साथ रह रहे थे?
Yes.
या जैद, क्या वो लोग एक साथ रह रहे थे?
क्या वो लोग एक साथ रह रहे थे? Uh, That's always.
Yes.
And I try.
Yeah, Rutvik, fine.
Were they living together?
Were they?
Living together.
Very nice. Were they living together? Yes. Okay. Abhi, this we have done. Past continues for today. Agar if you all have a time, I would request you all please make at least 5 sentences on past continuous. Only 5. You all don't have to make 10, 15 sentences. Just make 5 sentences and WhatsApp in the group or WhatsApp me as you wish. But I want you all to just write only 5 sentences on past continuous. What we have done. Is that so for everyone? Have you all
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Or we
Past
have to
positive
make
or negative?
a sentence
All
on positive or
पे कोई
negative.
भी 5 all जो भी 4 किया है ना पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन पॉजिटिव एंड क्वेश्चन नेगेटिव उस पे मिक्सिंग में कोई भी 5 बनाओ बस ओके भले ही आप एक
Okay,
पॉजिटिव पे
ma'am.
बनाओ
Sure.
नेगेटिव पे क्वेश्चन व्हाटएवर इट इज अप टू यू जस्ट यू हैव टू मेक 5 सेंटेंस ओके इतना तो आप कर ही सकते हो
मैम वो PDF मिलेगा आप जो भी स्क्रीन
हाँ आई जस्ट सेंड यू इनटू द ग्रुप ओके
हेलो
yeah I'll send in the group
Okay, sure, ma'am.
okay yes chalo then bye have a nice day to all
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day.
yes yeah bye.
Thank you, ma'am.